Hi, welcome to the Crafts channel. My name's Corinne and I've got another quick crochet demo for you because it's something else I've discovered that I never knew before. And again, it's a little bit life-changing. If you work up a blanket and you do it quite quickly, and you'll tend to use treble crochet, that's UK treble crochet, you will find that it's quite holey, quite a lot of gaps. So sometimes it's not brilliant, especially for a baby blanket, because there's too many holes for little fingers to get caught in. But if you can link those trebles as you crochet them, you make something with the height and the same number of stitches, but it doesn't have the holes in it. And it's very simple to do. Simply, now most people work 3 to do a treble. I cheat and work 2 because I find working 3 makes it a little bit baggy for me. So on your, this can be on a foundation row, this can be halfway through a row if you're doing different stitches on your blanket. Chain 2, and then you're going to work a treble. And normally what you do is you put your yarn over the hook into that first stitch, etc., etc. Before you do that, with this first treble stitch on there, if you put that yarn into that first chain, put that yarn into that first chain, don't put the yarn into the chain at all. You put your hook into that first chain, put the yarn over your hook and pull it through, and treat that loop like your yarn over hook for the beginning of a treble. You then put the hook into your first stitch, yarn over hook and pull it through, so you've got 3 loops on the hook, yarn over hook, through 2, yarn over hook, through 2. And then you can see there's a bar there. Put your hook into that bar, grab your yarn and pull it through, making the first yarn over hook on your hook, and then go into the next stitch, yarn over hook and through, yarn over hook, through 2, through 2. And again, you've got your bar there. So put your first yarn over hook through that bar and then work the next stitch. And it actually makes a very nice horizontal line across your work. And what it does is it actually links together your treble stitches so they don't stretch apart and make a gap. As you can see, they're held together by that bar. So I'll just show you again one more time. Instead of putting the yarn over your hook and working a treble, put your hook through the bar, yarn over hook and bring it through, and then work the next step of your treble. So essentially you are just linking your stitches together. Again, great stitch if you're making garments and you don't like too many holes in your garments. You've obviously got less stretch with this now, so you'd have to make sure it fits better. But it does mean that when it does stretch, there's not such enormous gaping holes in your work. So I hope you like that. I hope you'll come back and see us again very, very soon. If you subscribe, we can send you a notification when we've got a new demonstration coming up, and we're doing all kinds of things: crochet, paper crafting, knitting, sewing, decoration. Please come and see us. It's always nice to hear from you, so if you'd like to pop a comment in the box below, that would be great, and if you've got any questions, I'll always try and answer them for you. Keep safe. Thank you very much for watching. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.